Okay, so one thing that you're going to have to keep in mind is the weather sometimes. As you can see, we just got hit with a week of nasty weather that we weren't anticipating, so that happens all the time. So keep that in mind, that weather is going to stop progress on any type of construction site depending where you are, and keep that in mind that it takes longer only because of the weather factor. Sometimes it just basically puts us on delay for delayed us for about 10 days here at least, because we can't pour the concrete until the temperature goes up a little bit more, because it's below zero at nighttime, and you don't really want to pour concrete if it's below zero. Especially concrete in the walls is okay, but concrete slab is no-no, so keep that in mind. Okay, so as you can see, carpenter just finished framing our porches, or our forms for our porch, and we spent the last couple of days forming it, rebarring it, putting the grid in according to what our engineer said for our plan. So as you can see, it's all done and it looks great. So the weather's broke finally a little bit, so it's above zero right now and it's getting warmer, so we're going to go ahead and pour this tomorrow. And then once the slab's poured, the carpenter then we can put some posts up on top of the concrete, and then the carpenter can continue with the roof and we can go ahead and finish the addition. So great.
Working? That's brother. Pretty good. Pretty good? Lift a little there. Just dump, just lift. It's because the front of your roof is fucking good. Yeah,
Okay, great. As you can see, we got the concrete all coming in. We're filling in the spot where we put the new sewer in, finishing the addition. And then right after that, we're going to be doing the front porch, the covered porch, and then the carpenter can continue on. So let's just watch him go at it. All right, great. So as